I'm gonna show you how to make sourdough Pop-Tarts. They're so stupidly easy. You need 6 ingredients. Excuse my messy bowl. This is my third batch I'm making. 125 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of salt. That's my baby. 30 grams of sugar. Now mix that up. Next, you're gonna grate an entire stick of butter into this. I'm gonna cut that butter in with a fork. Kind of just mixing it in until you have like a clumpy mixture. Kind of until it looks like this. Now you're gonna add 125 grams of sourdough discard. Love a good discard recipe. And 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Take your fork and mix that up together in like a big clump. I'm going to just work it a little bit more with my hands and then wrap it in saran wrap. I'm gonna form it into like a square shape and wrap it nice and tightly. Just trust me and wrap it twice. Take a rolling pin and gently roll it out. Place that in your fridge to ferment for at least an hour. It's been a few hours, we're pulling our dough out. Flour your work surface and roll out your dough. I cut the edges to make it all nice and clean. But this is what we have here. And now I'm gonna cut it into, I think, 3. You have to egg wash all the corners and the top. Time for the filling. I have found that Nutella or strawberry jam are, the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of filling. I measure with my heart. They look like lumps of, fold those over on top of it. Now we're just gonna use a fork, kind of gluing the sides together. And then going back in with that egg wash all over the top of them. Place them onto a baking sheet with parchment paper. Put them in the oven for 20 minutes. The icing, powdered sugar and water. I measure with my heart, but I think it calls for half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 to 2 teaspoons of water. Just until it's like a nice thick paste. You can tell I hate measuring cups. Put that over the top. I'm gonna put some chocolate sprinkles on the top before this dries. And that's our beautiful Pop-Tart.